A city that never sleeps. A future that's waiting to be built. But where do you begin? What if we told you that the foundation of your future isn't just an investment? It's an opportunity to craft your dream from the ground up. G Square Urbanize isn't just about owning land, it's about shaping your destiny. A space where your dreams don't just reside, they rise. Let's take a closer look at Coimbator's next premier plotted development where luxury, location, and limitless possibilities converge. Location is everything, and G Square Urbanize is right where the future meets convenience. Top schools like Ruby Matric Higher Secondary School at a distance of 1 minute, that's 0.6 kilometers. Leading healthcare facilities like Lotus Eye Hospital and Institute at a distance of 1 minute, that's 0.7 kilometers. Dining and lifestyle such as Ocean's Lounge at 1 minute, 0.3 kilometers. Shopping and essentials of Raghavendra Complex, 1 minute, 0.5 kilometers. Seamless transport with KG Says bus stop at just a distance of 4 minutes, 3 kilometers. When you invest in a G Square Urbanized plot, you're not just buying land, you're buying prime connectivity. Why compromise when you can create? G Square Urbanize isn't just another residential layout. It's a future-ready, legally clear plotted development where you can build, expand, and create a home that reflects you. Project highlights include total area of 1.2 acres, total units of 17 exclusive residential plots, plot size 1307 square feet, and prices starting from Rs 58.5 lakhs per plot. Ready to construct plots with clear legal documentation. No waiting, no uncertainties, just possibilities. The question isn't why buy. The question is how soon can you start building? A home isn't just what's inside your four walls. It's the world around it. At G Square Urbanize, every detail is designed for convenience, security, and a hassle-free lifestyle. Round-the-clock security with 24/7 CCTV surveillance, street lighting and internal roads for a well-planned layout, uninterrupted 24/7 water supply, a dedicated children's play area for young minds to explore, power backup for common areas because the future doesn't stop. This isn't just a plot, it's a lifestyle investment. A home is only as strong as the foundation it stands on, and the legacy is only as powerful as the name behind it. G Square is South India's #1 real estate brand for plotted developments. With a track record of delivering 50+ premium projects across top metro cities, our developments are designed for investors who think beyond today. With 100% legal approvals, clear documentation, and a commitment to excellence, G Square Urbanize isn't just a property. It's your gateway to a powerful investment. Real estate isn't about waiting for the right time. It's about making the right decision at the right moment. Projected ROI growth, the Coimbatore real estate market has shown steady appreciation, making this an ideal opportunity for investors and homeowners alike. Immediate resale and rental potential. Secure your plot today, build tomorrow, and watch your investment multiply. Exclusive launch offers available, but only for a limited period. They say the best investment on earth is earth itself. But the best time to invest? That's now. G Square Urbanize, where your future begins. Click on the contact CTA on housing.com and schedule your site visit. Your plot, your home, your legacy.